In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction if you've ever needed to make some significant updates or changes to your site without having your visitors see an incomplete or disrupted experience. Putting your site under construction is an excellent approach. Let's walk through the process together to ensure that your site visitors can see a professional notification and stay informed. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Pages and Menu panel within your Wix site editor. This is your go-to place for organizing the pages of your site and is crucial for setting up an under construction notice. Once you're there, you'll be creating a new page specifically for this purpose. Simply create a new page and give it a fitting name like Under Construction. This title is clear and lets your visitors immediately recognize the status of your site. After setting up the page, you'll need to populate it with a clear and informative message. Let your visitors know why the site is under construction, and if possible, give them an estimate of when the site will be fully back online. It's also a great idea to add your company or personal logo to maintain brand recognition. Including a contact form can be beneficial as well, providing visitors with a way to reach you while the site remains closed for construction. Once your under construction page is complete, the next step is critical, making this page your home page. You can do this by going to the Site Pages section. Hover over your newly created page and look for the option to set it as the home page. By setting this page as the default, you ensure that it's the first and potentially only thing visitors see when they navigate to your site. With the Under Construction page now firmly in place as your home page, the important final step is to hide all other pages from your site's menu. This can be done by toggling the visibility settings or applying restrictions to the other pages. It ensures that visitors cannot access pages that might be under development or are not currently in a state you wish to present publicly. Once you've completed these steps, you'll find that all visitors to your site will only see the Under Construction page. This is a neat, professional way to manage traffic during this transition, keeping everyone informed while you make the necessary improvements behind the scenes. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your Wix website. Happy building!